Good morning, students. Welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to discuss you. I am going to discuss some questions with you that are based on stretching problems. So, if a wire is stretched, how its resistance will change, that we will discuss in this video. But before starting that concept, I will take you to a question which is asked in JEE exam and JEE Mains 2016 online exam. So what is asked in the question? He is asking, in the following I refers to current and other symbols have their usual meaning. Choose the options that corresponding to the dimensions of electrical conductivity. So students, we have to find the unit of find the dimensions of electrical conductivity. So first of all, you have to know, some of the students will know about it, that resistance is equal to, okay, resistance is equal to rho into L by A, where L is the length and A is the area. Now students, we know this resistance is also equal to V by I, because V is equal to IR, that is given by Ohm's law. So we can write it as V by I also. Now students, this is resistivity. So resistivity is opposite to the conductivity. So I will take it on the right hand side and rest of the terms on the left hand side. So I will be on the left hand side, V will be on the left hand side, L on the left hand side and A on the left hand side, and the rest of the term is equal to 1 by rho. This 1 by rho I can write it as sigma, that is electrical conductivity. So conductivity is opposite to the resistivity. So I hope up to this point the concept is clear. Now we have to find V is the dimension, V is voltage, and we know this thing that potential upon charge is equal to work done. Potential upon charge is equal to work done. That means I can write potential as work done into charge. So work done into charge. Now work done has dimension force into distance. So mass into acceleration, you can say. So work done has dimension m1, L2, force into distance, mass into acceleration. So L2 will be there, and T minus 2. So this is the dimensions of energy or work. Then I have to write value of Q. So I will write Q in terms of IT. So Q by T is equal to I. That means Q is, we can write Q as I into T. So I will write here T into I, where T is time and I is current. So T1 and I1 will be there. So the dimensions of V will be M1, L2, T minus 1 and I1. So now I have to put the dimensions here. So on the left hand side I have I. So I put here I into L has dimension L1, and okay, I have to put here I1 also. Then area has dimension L2. So this was the question that was asked in JEE exam online. So that's why I have selected this question, and the dimensions of these M1, L2, T minus 1. So M1, T, okay, M1, L2, T minus 1, and again I1. So students, I1 gets cancelled out and you can say I1 becomes 0. So here L will also L4. So it's the dimensions of electrical conductivity, that is sigma, equal to 1 by rho, that is 1 by resistivity. So it's equal to, your final answer will be m minus 1 L minus 3 and T plus 1 and I0. So this will be the formula, m minus 1 L minus 3 and T minus T1. So let me check, this is option, is any option is available. Okay, let me check it again. Resistance is equal to rho into L upon A is equal to P by I. V is equal to I into R. Okay. Then I have to find. Okay. Here we have done a mistake. So V by Q not equal to work done. Work done by charge. Work done per unit charge. That is equal to V. So work done per unit charge was. Okay. So this was. You have to take care here. So what this dimensions will be, V's dimension will be T minus 1 and I minus 1 here. So T minus 1 here, okay, so here you can see T minus 1, so T will be minus 3 now. This will become minus 3, T minus 3 and I minus 1. So this will become T minus 3, so it will be T plus 3, T plus 3 here and I2. So some mistake was there, I2. Okay, so this will be the answer. You have to take care, this will be not there. V by Q is not equal to work done. Work done by Q charge is equal to potential. So you have to take care it while doing the question. So this will be like this, V is equal to work done per unit charge. So this will be the units for. So finally we got the answer, m minus 1 L minus 3 T3 and I2. So let me see the solution. M minus 1 L minus 3 T3. So T3 L minus 3 T3 I2. I think first option is the right answer. M minus 1 L minus 3 and T minus 3 T plus 3 and T I2. So this will be the right answer. M minus 1 T L minus 3 T3 and I2. So for option number 1 is the right answer for this question. You have to take care. Firstly, we have taken R equal to rho into L upon A, and resistance we can write V by I also. Then taking 1 by rho on the right hand side, this term, this is the 1 by resistivity, that is equal to conductivity of the circuit. Now after that I have to find the dimensions of V. So potential is equal to work done per unit charge. So this we have done, and there is T minus 1 I minus 1, that is charge. Q is equal to I into T. So after that I have, when I got the value of V, so putting the value of V here, and this is A dimension of A, this is the dimension of L, and this is the dimensions of I. So after putting all the values I got the answer, that is M minus 1 L minus 3 and T3 and I2. Sometimes it is I is written as A also, A2. So you have to take care, and this question was asked in JEE exam 2016 online. So I have discussed it with you. So its answer will be M minus 1 L minus 3 T3 and I2. Option number A will be the right answer for this one. So now I am going to scroll it. You can note down the solution. If you face any problem, then you can write in comment box. So now I am going to take you to second question, that is wire stretching problem. So students, what type of questions come in wire stretching? Suppose I have a wire like this is the wire I have. Okay, so we are going to start wire stretching problem. Suppose I have a wire, this one, and I stretched it, and this its length become its double. Its length become earlier double than earlier. So students, what will happen? This is the first case where the length was L. We have some L and area is A, and the volume in this case is volume. Let it volume is equal to L into A, because length into area is equal to volume. Suppose this area, cross section area, is A, then its volume is length into A, but when we stretched it, its length becomes 2L. So now 2L is the length, area is suppose A dash. A dash is the new area. So students, what will happen? A dash. So A dash is the new area. So what will happen when I have to find A dash? I will keep volume constant. Volume is not changing. So what I will write here? Let's suppose it as L1 A1 V1. L1 into A1 is the volume V1. So let's take it as 2L, because L2, this is the value of L2. L2 in terms of L. So it is making, we have stretched the wire so that it becomes twice. So that means it is 2L, and the new area will be A dash, or you can write it as A2. So L2 into A2 is equal to volume V1, because volume is not changing here. Students, you have to keep this thing in mind, that when we stretch a wire, like this is the wire, and we stretch it into this wire, this length, its length increases and area decreases. You can think it practically also. So now we can have to find the, in the first case I am writing resistance. In the first case, let's suppose resistance equal to rho into L upon A, rho into L1. Okay, write it L1 by A1. So this is the resistance of first case. So now students, in the second case I will be resistance. First I will calculate A2. So L1 into A1 is equal to L2 into A2. L2 into A2. Now we know about the L2 length. L2 length is twice. So L1 into A1 is equal to 2 times L1 into A2. So L1 will cancel out. Your A2 comes out to be A2 equal to A1 by 2. A1 by 2. So this will be the right answer. But now we have to calculate the its resistance. So its resistance R2. I am writing R2 for it. R2 equal to rho into, now length is L2, that is 2L1 by area A2, that is A1 by 2. So this term will become equal to 4 times rho into L1 by A1. That means it is 4 times the earlier resistance. This is earlier resistance R1, rho into L1 by A1. So it will be R2 is equal to 4 times R. Students, this is a very basic question. Basically, in examiner will ask you about the new resistance on stretching, or he will ask about the percentage change in resistance. So when we have to find the percentage change, we will write change here. So change is what? Change is value is changing from 4R, change is 3R, so 4R minus R is the change, and originally it was R, so we multiply it with 100. So these type of questions you will see in examination. In this way we can find the percentage change in resistance. So this formula we will use. I am scrolling it. You have to keep in mind, whenever we stretch a wire, like this is having length L1 and this length is 2L1. If we stretch a wire, then its area, this cross section area will decrease. So when this cross section area will decrease, its length is increasing and cross section area is decreasing, so that volume remains constant. Now you have to think it how we will solve it quickly. See, if this length how you will solve this question quickly, I will tell you the trick. Suppose this has length, this is wire and this is another wire. This is the stretched wire. So this is the length of wire when we stretched it. Okay. Unable to get it. Okay. So students, you can see here, if its length is L and this length has 3L, then students, you can see we have to kept volume constant. So here we can write A, here we will write A by 3, so that volume remains A into L constant. So we will write area A by 3. Now you can see resistance is equal to here rho into L upon A, that means resistance equal to rho into L upon A. In this case, this is rho, students. In this case, resistance R dash will be equal to rho into 3L by A by L, A by 3. So this will equal to 9 times R into 9 times rho into L upon A. That means it is equal to 9 times R. So up to this question is right. The new resistance will be 9 times R. But if I have to find the percentage change, then I will write 9R minus R by R, that was original value, into 100. So answer for this question is, if I have to find the resistance, then answer will be 9R. If I have to find the percentage change, then the percentage change is 800% increase. So 800% increase will be the answer for this question. I hope this question is clear, and I am scrolling the screen, you can note down. So this question is just on this screen. So now I am going to take you to some questions that I have taken from book. So wait for 1 minute, I will take you to the questions. Students, you have to take care also while you are doing questions. So sometimes question is based on the stretching of wire, sometimes two conductors were given, like in this question two conductors are given. Okay, so two conductors are given, and you have to take care of everything basically. So here you can see question is asking about two wires of resistance of same material. So that means the resistance is of same material, so material of this is same as this one, length L and 2L. So its length is L and its length is 2L. Area of cross section is 4A. Here 4A is the area and here area is A. L and 2L, cross section area 4A and A respectively. The ratio of their specific resistance. Students, he is asking about the ratio of resistivity of materials. So here he is asking about resistivity of rho 1 and rho 2. Specific resistance we can call resistivity as specific resistance also. So students, specific resistance means it depends upon the material. So if material is same, if same material is used for both the wires, like he said in the question, then the ratio will be 1:1. the ratio will be 1:1. This is not a stretching type question. I will take you to second question. So it is basically asked about, he is asking about the ratio of resistivity of two wires, but when the wires are made of same material, then the resistivity ratio will be 1:1. So now let's move to second question. So students, here we have another question. Let's see what is asked in question. So he is asking about if a wire of resistivity rho is stretched to double its length, then its new resistivity will be. So students, as I said in the lecture, resistivity does not change with the change in length or change in area. So resistivity only changes when there is temperature change or there is material change. So stretching length or decreasing area or increasing area will not affect the resistivity. That means answer for this question will be not change. So resistivity will not change when we stretch a wire. When we stretch a wire, resistivity of wire does not change. So this was the question number 11. The earlier question was also similar to this one, and till now we have not getting any question for the stretching of wire. Okay, so question number 12, you can see here, question number 12 is the question that is related to wire stretching. So I will take the screenshot. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, we can take these two questions. These two questions we can take. Wait for one. So now students, the question on the screen is the stretching problem. So he has given the length of given cylindrical wire is increased by 100%. So increased by 100% means students, if the earlier length was 10, then the new length will be 20. So 10 upon 100% increase means double. So if I said I have amount of 100 and I increase the amount by 100%, that means I increase 100 again. So in the next time I will be 2 with 200. So अगर मेरे पास 200 रुपीज़ हैं, आई सेड किसी ने मुझे बोला कि आपके पैसे 100% इंक्रीज़ हो गए, दैट मीन्स मेरे पास अब 200 और इंक्रीज़ हो गए, आई हैव 400. सो इन द सिमिलर केस you can see here, if the length of wire is L earlier and he says that the length of wire is increased by 100%, then we can say this length is L. Students, you have to understand the statement, because if you don't understand the statement, then your answer will be wrong. So if he said the wire is stretched by 100%, then it means 2L. If he write here wire is stretched increased 2, if he will use 2 here, the length of given wire is increased to 400% or 200%, then that means that is the value. If he says the length of the given cylindrical wire, okay, let me explain one thing more. If he says the length of given cylindrical wire is increased to 400%, to 400% means the new length will be 400% the earlier, so that means 4 times L. But if he use the word by, increased by, that means this is increase, change, this is given, he has given change here. So that means if he has given change here, so if he said that increased by 100%, that means new length will be L plus 100% of new, so that is L plus L. If he says increase by 300%, then we can say L plus 3L will be the new length. So students, remember the concept that there is a difference between two increased to 100% and increased by 100%. This is a very big concept that you have to remember, because if you skip this 2 and by, if you misread this, then your answer will be wrong. So he has given here the length of given cylindrical wire is increased by 100%. That means the earlier length was L and the new length is 100 L plus L, that is 2L. Due to corresponding decrease in diameter, so he has said that there will be diameter decrease. Obviously, if it is L and its area is A, then on increasing the length to 2L, the area will be decreased by factor 2, because volume we have to kept constant. So volume is L into A, Here the volume is L into A. So to make L into A, I will multiply length is twice, so area will be half. So in this case, you can see easily resistance is R equal to rho into L upon A, as we said earlier. Here you will see R equal to R dash equal to rho into 2L. We have done some such type of question in the beginning of this video. So rho into 2L by A by 2. So this is A by 2 and this is equal to 4 times the resistance of R. 4 times R, where R is the earlier resistance of unstretched wire. So unstretched wire has a resistance R equal to rho into L upon A. So that means increased resistance is 4%. But what he is asking the change in the resistance. So he is asking about the change in the resistance. So change in the resistance is given by, I have already said you that he will not ask you about the resistance. He will ask you about the change. So change is 4R minus R. 4R minus R by original value was R. So change will be in numerator, original value will be in denominator, and we have to multiply it with 100. So after the solution 3R by R, so we can say 300% increase. So resistance is increased, change in resistance is 300% increase. So this is the actual wire stretching question that we have seen. So in the beginning I was giving just introduction, and this question was asked in AIEEE 2003. So very long term earlier question, very long term. So then उस टाइम JEE नहीं था होता, उस टाइम पे AIEEE होता था. So I hope this question is clear to you. You have to find the change in resistance. So I am scrolling the question, you can see. So 300% will be the answer for this question. Now I am going to take you to another question. So stay here. Okay students, so we are with the question. Next question. I hope screen is visible to you and question is visible. Yes. So read the question carefully. A material B has twice specific resistance of the material A. That means he is saying that let me take color it. He is saying that resistivity of B, specific resistance is what? Resistivity. So resistivity of B is equal to 2 times the resistivity of A. It is he is saying in first statement. You can read a material B has twice the specific resistance of material A. A circular wire made of B has twice the diameter of wire made of A. So that means a circular wire made of B has twice the diameter of area of made. Okay, so that means diameter, we can take diameter as already. Okay, let me take first diameter. So diameter of B is also equal to twice the diameter of A. Okay, so twice the diameter of A. Can I write it as radius, because radius on the both sides, diameter we can write it as diameter 2R on the both hand side, 2 will again cancel out, so that we can write it as also radius of B equal to 2 times radius of A. So this is given up to this point, clear? Then the two wires to have the same resistance, the ratio of LA by LB of their respective lengths must be. So he said that now we have to make the same ratio. So let's suppose resistance R1 on the left hand side, R1 by R2, where R1 is the resistance of wire A. Okay, let me write here RA and RB. So these two should be same. What, in which way these two should be same? First I will write rho A here. Now rho A into L. So L is, let's suppose, LA. Now in the denominator I have area in terms of pi r square. So because circular area is there, circular cross section area, so pi R A square here. In the next term I have row B, so row B will be here and LB will be here, LB, and here I have to write pi R B square. So students, these two are equal, that means we can get it as 1. We can get 1 here, but both the resistances are same. So now I am solving it with other color. So I will get left hand side 1 is equal to row A. Now row B is equal to 2 times row A, that means I have to write here 2 times row into A, and this LA as well as I write it as LA, and this is LB. Pi will also cancel out, so here I am left with RB square. So RB square, can I write it as 2 RA square? I am putting the value of RB here because RB will go in the numerator here. So I am writing here RB RA square by RA square. Students, you have to put these values, and after this you can see in the next step here you can cancel row A. So LA by LB, we have to find this ratio. So LA by LB become equal to this will be 2, this 2 will go here, so 2 by 2 2 is the 4, so 2 by 4 will be the answer, and we can write it as it is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So students, this will be the right answer if he is asking about the length of ratio LA by LB. Yes, so read the question carefully students. Basically, first you have to read the question. A material B has, I am repeating the question again, a material B has twice the specific resistance of material A. That means rho B equal to 2 times rho A. Up to this statement, up to this line, it is clear. A circular wire. Now see, circular wire is, he is saying about circular wire. A circular wire made of B has twice the diameter of wire made of A. So diameter of B is equal to twice the diameter of A. We can write it as radius of B is equal to twice the radius of A. We can write it as also. Then for the two wires to have the same resistance, students, this is a very important concept. To have two wires to have the same resistance means the ratio of their resistance is 1. The ratio of LA by LB we have to find. So we have to find the ratio of length so that their value of resistance is same. So we have followed the procedure. Resistance is equal to rho into L upon A. Area I am writing pi r square because circular is given. So pi will cancel out. Then I will put rho B in terms of rho A and RB in terms of RA. Then I got the answer at the end. Answer is 1 by 2. So the ratio between LA and LB is 1 by 2. So this is a very good question from wire stretching problems. Okay, so wire stretching and resistance problem, these type of questions are asked. So now I am going to take you to another question. So let me see which question is left. So we have done these two questions. This is from KVL. We have done this question. These two questions are okay. These are resistance questions. So let me take you to question number 11 and 10 we have done. Okay, we will see question number 9 and question number 12. So now I am going to take you to question number 12. You have to stay here. We are going to question number 12. It is a easy one. You can do it at your own, and also I will take you to some other questions also in this video. So connect, stay here. So here the next question is a wire of resistance R is stretched to twice its original length. Its new resistance will be. So he is asking about the new resistance. Earlier length was L and the new length was twice of original length, that means new length will be 2L. So earlier area is A, the new area will be A by 2. We have done such type of questions. So in this type of question, if this resistance is R, this resistance will become 4R. So after doing such type of questions, 3 or 4 questions, your answer will be clear that which will be right answer. You can mark the answer without solving it. So 4R will be the right answer for this question. So now I am going to take you to one very good question that is given in the book. And okay, so question number 9 is the question that is very good. So we will see that question. That question is little bit tricky also. Okay, stay here students. Okay, so this is the question that I was talking about. This is a very tricky question, and let's see what he is asking about in the question. The ratio of masses. Okay, let me check. The ratio of masses of 3 wires is 1:2:3. If mass is different, then that means okay, mass is different here, and the length is 3:2:1. Length, students, length is given and mass is given. If the wires are made of same material is same, then the ratio of resistances will be. So here area is not given. How can we find the question? Let me see. Okay, can I write resistance equal to rho into L upon A? Rho into L upon A. I know the mass. So can I find any relation between mass? So mass upon volume is equal to density. Density is given here. Density is also okay. Density is the same because these wires are made up of same material. That means density will be same for the each. Density is same. So students, we can find some relation between. Okay. So I will write mass upon volume equal to density. So mass upon volume, I can write area into L. Area into L equal to density. So if I have to find 1 by A, I can write 1 by A in which term? 1 by A equal to density upon mass into length. So what I will do here, I will put this value that I have calculated. So I will write here R equal to rho into L. Students, I will write D for density because two rows will be there. One is resistivity, one is density. So I will write D for density. So now rho into L upon A. So 1 by A I will write 1 by A as D into L by mass M. So I hope it is clear. Now students, resistance is depending upon which factors? You can see here. Resistivity is constant, density is constant. So resistance is directly proportional to L square by M. That means resistance is depending upon now length and mass. So mass ratio 1:2:3 and length is 3:2:1. So that means the three resistances will be in the ratio length square. So first resistance 9 by mass 1. First resistance ratio. I am talking about the ratio. I am not talking about the actual value because in the ratio density will cancel out. Density everything. So 9 by 1 9 by 1 from this equation, L square, L1 is 3, M1 is 1, now L2 is 4 by 2. So here I can write 4 by 2 and the last term is 1 by 3. So here I will write 1 by 3. Students, this is the ratio of three resistances R1, R2, R3. These are the ratios, because in the ratio the densities will cancel out, so these ratios are on the basis of L square by M. These are the on the basis of that. So 9 by 1, 4 by 2, 1 by 3. So if I have to make it into simple ratio, I will multiply this ratio with the 6. I will multiply it with 6, or you can say here, wait. I can write this ratio as 9 ratio 2 ratio 3, 9 ratio 2 ratio 1 by 3. So to make it fractionless, I will multiply this equation, multiply this ratio with 3. After that I will see what will be the answer. So multiplying it with 3, I will get the answer 27. Ratio 2 3 is the 6 and 3 1 is the 3. So that means 27 ratio 6 ratio 1 will be the answer. Any option is there? Yes, one option is available. So this will be the right answer. Students, what I have to do in this type of question, if this type of question is appeared comes in the examination, first of all you have to remember the first formula, that is R is equal to rho into L upon A, this one. Then you have to see in which way we can get this resistance in terms of density. So mass upon volume is equal to density, mass upon A into L is equal to density. So we can write it as D, because two rows will be there. So I find the value of 1 by A. 1 by A is equal to density into L upon M. Now putting this 1 by A value, this is 1 by A, so 1 by A's value dl by M. You can see here two values are constant, resistivity is constant and density is constant. That means resistance is directly proportional to L square by M. Now I cannot find the direct value, but I can find the ratio between them. So ratio between them is depending upon L square by M. So ratio is given. So first ratio M1 is 1 and length is 3. So 3 square by M1. In the second case 2 square by 2, and in the third case 1 square by 3. So after this I have to find the ratio. To change the ratio into this value, fractional ratio into simple ratio, I will multiply it with 3 and I get the answer 27 ratio 6 ratio 1. So this was the another question that is based on the resistivity concept and resistance concept. You can note down the solution. I am scrolling the screen. Question is this one and I am scrolling the screen. You can note down the solution. So 27 ratio 6 ratio 1 will be the answer. Now I will see which question are left. So we have done this 9th question, 10th question, 11th question, 12th question, and these two questions we have done in this video, 1 and 2. Then these questions we will do later on, because these are related to resistance. Okay, this question we have done. Yes. Okay, so students, now I am going to take you to neat book. Okay, Control N, don't save. I will take you to my folder so that we can see some other questions from book also. So the video will go on, and coaching center books. So students, we are with the books. Some books are available with you. You can see that books. If you need any book, then you can contact me. So H.C. Verma book is available with you, Fundamental of Physics. So many books will be available here. K. Bajaj book is not available. Class 11 HC Verma, JEE Electronic, NCERT, NEET and Disha. Reference IEEE. Okay, escape. One book is available with me. That book is not here. So I will see NEET AIMS questions and I will find some questions, then I will discuss that. Okay, so this is the book. Okay, it will start from +1. Students, wait for 1 minute. I will pause the video and come back with question. So here students, we have taken the question. One question from that book. The length of conductor is half. So students, this question is not a stretching type question. It means the length of conductor. We have cut the conductor into two parts. So I will explain it. Wait for 1 minute. So he is saying that suppose it is a conductor and it has length L. Then we cut it from the center. So we make a cut here and we cut it from here, so that conductor's length remains L by 2. So the length of conductor is halved, so that means this will be now new conductor, this will be length of new conductor. So he is asking about its conductance. So he is asking about its conductance, he is not asking about resistance. So we know resistance is equal to rho into L upon E. Now if length is halved, that means resistance is halved, because we are changing only length, we are cutting it, we are not stretching it, we are cutting it from center. That means it will become rho into L by A2, L by 2, this is 2A, not A2. So I will write here 2A so that we can understand it. That means resistance is now halved. So when resistance is halved, then we can say conductance is doubled. Conductance is opposite to the resistance, no? So earlier we can say conductance was A by, symbol for the conductance was G. So earlier you can say, in the earlier case the resistance was, so it is resistance R dash. In the earlier case, when the conductor was of length L, the resistance was equal to rho into L upon A, and the conductance in that case was G. G is equal to 1 by R. So G we can write it as A by rho into L. But in this case you can say G dash equal to 2A by rho into L by, G dash equal to 2A by rho L. This will be the value of G dash. So G dash, you can easily see G dash is equal to 2 times the value of G. So conductance will be doubled when the conductor is cut into two equal parts. And you can see the question again. The length of a conductor is half. That means it is cut from here. The conductor is cut from here. Its conductance will be, he is asking about its conductance. So when the length is halved, then resistance is halved. You can see. If resistance is halved, then its conductance is doubled. So I hope this question is clear. You can check down the solution. I am scrolling the screen. Okay, now I am going to quickly solve some questions. I will not write the statement. I will just tell you the statement. You have to listen me carefully so that you can understand. Suppose I have wire length L and I stretched it into the length 4L. So students, I have to find new resistance and percentage change in resistance. Let's suppose earlier its area is A, its new area will be A by 4. Then you can find that R dash, this new resistance will be equal to 16 times R, where R is the earlier resistance. You can find it by the long method. I am just going through quick questions. I am solving that in quick time. Now percentage change. So change is 16R minus R by original was R into 100. So you can find the percentage change is 1500%. 1500%. Now I am solving. Okay, you can note down the solution. This is the question, and percentage change is this one. Now I am taking you to another question. Suppose the length was L and the new length was 1.5 L. 1.5 L. So now you can see this L is 3 by 2L. 3 by 2L. That means area will be, in the earlier case area is A. In this case area will be 2 by 3A. Students, we have to multiply it and kept LA as constant. That's why I am taking it as opposite to L. So 3 by 2L, 3 by 2 will be here, 2 by 3 will be here. So opposite to this, if here we will 3 by 5, then here we will 5 by 3. So now you can find the resistance R dash. R dash is equal to rho into L upon A. So after solution, you can see 3 square by 2 square. 3 square by 2 square into R. So its answer will be 9 by 4. So 9 by 4R will be the answer for this question. On stretching, on making a wire 1.5 times longer than earlier, the resistance will be 9 by 4 times earlier resistance. Now students, if I have to find the change, you can see here. To find the change, I will write 9 by 4R. 9 by 4R minus R by R into 100. I will solve 2 more questions. After that we will end this video. So here you can see, by taking the LCM, 5R, 5 by 4, 5 by 4, 9 minus 4, 5 by 4 into 100. So 125% will be the answer. Students, 125% will be the change in resistance. So 125% increase in the resistance. So you can solve these type of questions easily. I hope the question is clear. You can note down the solution, please. Okay, now let me take one more question. Suppose the length was, earlier length was L. The new length is 4 by 3 times L. So this is stretching of wire. This length is, second length is greater than the first. So you can see here area will be A. Here the area will be 3 by 4A. So I am telling you that you can take the reciprocal of value directly. So its resistance is, let's suppose R. R is equal to rho into L upon A. Then R dash will be equal to rho into L upon A mu L. So you can see its answer will be 4 square by 3 square into R. So you can see the answer will be 16 by 9R. I hope the answer is clear to you. Now we have to find the percentage change. So to find percentage change, I will subtract. I will get the change here. So 16 by 9R minus R. This will be the change by original resistance R into 100. So its value is 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7R by R by 9 also. So 7R by 9R into 100. R gets cancelled out and you can get the answer as 700 by 9%. So this will be the change 700 by 9% increase in resistance. Students, I am telling you, in some questions you have to find the percentage change, in some questions you have to find the resistance. So I am finding both the values here, finding resistance also, finding percentage change also. So if you feel that this video is useful to you, then I request you to please share and like this video with your friends who are studying in class plus 2. And I have taken some questions from the competitive exams also, so you can note down that solution. So let me see one more question if possible there. So I am just going through the questions so that okay students, you can check this question also. You can check this question also. The wire of resistance R is stretched so that its length increased by. Okay, let me solve this question. Copy and so students, here I am going to solve this question again on this one. So this is another question. A wire of resistance R is stretched so that its length increases by 10%. So students, let's take a simple example. When he gives 10% something value, then simply take this one as, just wait for 1 minute. Okay, simply take, when 10% increase he says, let's take it as L, and the new length will be 1.1 L. So 10% means changing the length by 10%, so it will be 1.1. You can simply check it also. Basically you can do what here you can write 100. Okay, let me take 10 here. So let's take 10 is the value of earlier resistance, then 11 will be the value of next resistance, new length, because 1% increase is 1. In 100 10% increase is 10, but in 10% increase is 1. So here we will get this as a length, and now I have to write area. So let's suppose area is A. In this case area will be A by 10A by 11, so that our volume remains 10A. So I am writing it. So this is the value of area. Now earlier resistance was rho into, let's suppose rho into 10 by A, and the new resistance will be rho into L is 11 here, and area is 10A by 11. Let me see what 10 is the this length, area is rho into 10 by A. Okay, rho into length is increased 11 by 10 by 11. So okay, so this will become 121 by 10, 121 by 10 point into rho into, okay, rho by A. Students, I hope this is clear. Now we have to split it into two parts so that we can get one value as L also, R also. So it is equal to new resistance R is equal to, can I write it as 10 100 rho by 10A plus 21 plus 21 rho into rho by 10a. So students, you can see here this value is earlier resistance, this value is earlier resistance. So you can say this value increases by 21, so that means 20%, 21% increase is there. So 21% increase will be their answer. So I will give you the shortcut way also. I will explain the shortcut way for this question also in the next video. So I will find some shortcut for this type of question, but basically you have to follow the complete steps. In that way you can get the answer. So now I am taking you to one more question, one last question. So let's suppose this length is L and the new length is 2L by 3. 2L by 3. So how to solve it? Simply write here A, and here you will write 3A by 2. After the calculation you can check. After the calculation this will be R and your R dash will be equal to, you can check the solution, rho into L by A, so it is 2 square by 3. But this is not a stretching problem. So in this case wire length is decreased. 2 by 3 is less than 2 by 3 is less than 1. That means wire is not stretched, wire is compressed here. So it's 2 square by 3. 2 square by 3 square. This will be 4 by 9. 4 by 9 R. So students, this question can be also there. Here the resistance is decreased. That means we can find the change, but the change is the percentage decrease. So whenever this term is like, here the length was L and the new length was 2L by 3. So it is a compression of wire. It is not stretching of wire, it is compression. And when we compress a wire, then its area increases and the resistance decreases. Suppose I will give you one example. Suppose this is the wire of length this one. Suppose this is the wire and its length is given as L. Now we compressed it and we make its length like this. Then students, the volume does not change. We have compressed it from here to in this way. In the left direction we have compressed it. So its area will increase. Length will decrease and area will increase. So this wire has resistance. So this then the resistance will decrease. So it is, if it has resistance, wait for 1 minute. If this wire has resistance R and this wire has resistance R2, this wire has resistance R1, then R2 will be less than R1 because here the length is decreased and area is also increased, so it is decreasing. In this length, this resistance is R2 is less than R1. So this is a type of that question where the length was given 2L by 3 and it is a compression. So the new resistance will be 4 by 9R. You can find the change in the similar way. 4 by 9R minus R. Okay, this will be the change. 4 by 9R by R minus R by capital R, that was original value, into 100. So this value comes out to be negative. You can see this value comes out to be negative after taking LCM. That means it is the decrease in resistance. So this is enough for today, and I have discussed many questions with you. So you can note down that questions, and we will come back with a new video soon, and the video is approximately 1 hour long. So you can note down all solutions that I have discussed here, all the questions that I have discussed. And thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is really useful to you, then you can like and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye students.